Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to highlight text in Photoshop. I'm writing my word here. Double click above the text layer. Double click on outer glow. Click here and choose highlight color from here. Click on blend mode and select here normal. Bring the opacity to 100%. Increase spread and size. Also increase the range a little bit. Okay. Here we can see the text is highlighted now. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.